Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Marami ngayon ang nagulantang sa isinawalat nga ni Donnie Pangilinan patungkol sa kanilang dalawa ni Belle. Na ayon nga dito kay Donnie ay kapag may problema, argumento o misunderstanding silang dalawa ni Belle ay talaga namang pinupuntahan niya kaagad itong ating Linda para magkaayos agad. At dagdag pa nga ni Donnie ay talagang nag-stop siya sa isang shoot, mapuntahan lamang at makausap si Belle. Grabe na talaga itong ating Donnie at napaka-green flag talaga nito. Ayun nga dito sa komento ng mga bula sa Twitter. Grabe, they really talk and fix it immediately if may argument or misunderstanding sila. Grabe yung nag-stop si Donnie sa shoot niya para puntahan si Belle na nasa ibang location para magkaayos agad. Ayon ka dito, I think hindi sa pinupuntahan niya but he took there. In midway, they decided to stop for a while so that he would be able to talk alone, since they don't want to talk or sort out their arguments if a lot of people are present or watching.
You had to go na to the next location, but you weren't okay pa. I was doing a scene. I asked Derek if I could leave to drive to her first. So we stopped muna for a bit and we talked about it. And I think it worked out.
Freeze!